Hello friends, I welcome you all in this meditation course. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ajay Joglekar, age 50 years. I stay in Mumbai. I am in the business of identifying unresolved needs and creating new home products to make life easy. I am practicing meditation from last 25 years out of my liking as a hobby and to quench my thirst for being myself and knowing myself. We all are here today for this 8 days meditation course, Eternal Existence Become Infinity Soul. Let me make one promise. We all are going to complete this course very easily and comfortably. In this course, we are going to learn 8 world famous meditation processes. This course is for everyone. These 8 meditation processes come from different cultures. This course is based on power of the mind and purification of the mind. Every day we are going to experience deep meditative state of our mind. To reach there, we have to do nothing. Just sit back and relax. Let go all the efforts. We just have to be mindful, and I promise you that we will achieve the goal that we have set for this course. I am not a preacher. Think of me as your meditation friend. For past 25 years, I am practicing meditation, experimenting different meditation methods. I got opportunity to learn various practices from many teachers from home and abroad. The 8 methods we are going to study here are extremely beautiful and selective. Become Infinity Soul. Of course, by becoming aware and experiencing 8 sciences of our mind, we can reach to infinity state of our mind. It is said that meditation is a game of filled stomach. But friends, I don't think so. This is a thirst, and this thirst has to be quenched. Now, are we really thirsty? Who will decide this? Of course, we ourselves, isn't it? Believe me or not, whatever we are going to learn in these 8 days is going to be useful for lifetime. So I request you all to do this course by keeping all things aside. Let's devote ourselves 30 minutes every day. It is going to be easy. But friends, this easiness is also difficult because making ourselves available every day for 30 minutes is really a tough job. Moreover, being present mentally throughout the session is still difficult. But one thing is for sure. If we do this, we will surely get for what we are attending this course. Once again, I welcome you all and thank you very much. Becoming Infinity Soul is a recorded video course, and we will complete this course in 8 parts. Today is first part. We will learn one unique meditation technique every day. This course is based on ebook 8 Infinity. The theory part is beautifully explained in this book. In the video description below, you will find the download link for this ebook. All the information about how to download is also given. Our focus here in this course is to experience various meditative states. This course is not about teaching how to meditate, but this is all about experiencing deepest recesses of our mind. Why to do this course? For training our minds to attain purity. This course will definitely add positive energy and positive thinking ability. Anxiety, fear and worries will disappear, and we will feel fresh and energetic. It is not that we will never be afraid or worried, but when all these things will come, we will be in a position to handle them very easily. Deep peace of mind can be achieved. We will gain ability to control negative thoughts, and a large part of our mind will be positive. Negative energies, negative emotions will be wrapped up in somewhere in the corner of our whole existence. It's important to see here one thing, that negative things are not bad always. We are here today. We are stable. We have achieved many things. It is also because of our nervousness, fear factors, our worries, isn't it? But it is very important to have a peaceful and stable mind, and also large part of our mind must be driven by positive thoughts and positive energies, and that we are going to achieve by learning those 8 processes. To start with, let's know 8-lettered mantra, also known as Akshara Mantra, and this is going to be our first meditation experience. So let's begin. Let us close our eyes for some time. Let go of all the subjects in day-to-day life, and now let us focus our attention totally on our inner world. Observe your natural breath. Be attentive and focus. Breath is coming in and going out. Breathing is natural, automatic, and our mind is just an observer of the process. Now, let us begin meditation of inner awareness by chanting Akshar Mantra for 11 times. Sasham Krupe Sadaksha, 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 Sasham Krupe Sadaksha. This holy mantra is created by joining first letters of 8 realizations. During this meditation course, our mind will attain all these 8 realizations just by chanting this mantra with the awareness of the secret meaning of 8 letters. The mantra will strengthen and purify our minds instantly, and we will feel fresh and energetic. Let us understand the deep-rooted meaning of 8 letters. Sa means Sajagata, that is awareness, being present in every moment, living every moment. Sha is Shanti, means peace of mind, experiencing still state of mind or thoughtlessness. Ma is Man, observing our mind, observing our thoughts, observing wandering of our mind. Kru is Kritagyata, means being grateful, being thankful for the good things and good people in our life. Being aware, remembering good events and people in our life. Pray is Prem Bhav, unconditional love. We all are here in this life to attain the state of unconditional love. We want to be loved unconditionally. Sa is Satya, the truth, the law of impermanence. Nothing is permanent. Everything is subject to change. We are here to know this truth by our own experience, by our realization. The is Daya Sadbhavana, that is loving kindness. When we will experience loving kindness, our heart will become pure, and this will open the door of real happiness. Ksha is Kshama, forgiveness. We have not forgiven ourselves completely. We have not forgiven others, and thus we are carrying the burden on our minds. So we are not free. Now it is required to feel forgiveness for ourselves and for others in our hearts, and free our mind from memories. Whenever our mind will wander, will become uneasy, fearful, and worried, this mantra must be remembered, because the deep meaning of 8 letters will make our mind stable and pure. By removing our insecurities, regrets instantaneously. Thank you so much. Now open your eyes and feel fresh and energetic. This course is reaching to us through this YouTube channel, Healthy Lifestyle Meditations. We can subscribe this channel for free just by clicking the subscribe button. Even more programs on meditation and few more meditation courses will come in future. If we click bell icon, we will be notified about the new programs. If you want to know something in particular, you can very well put your comments in the comment box and I will reply you. Coming back to Akshara Mantra, we are going to experience 8 realizations of our mind suggested in 8-lettered Akshara Mantra. Once this course is complete, whenever we have some time, we can keep on practicing all 8 experiences, all 8 meditative states one by one, and make meditation a regular practice and keep on enjoying the benefits. Many years have passed. We have a lot of good and bad memories stored in our mind. And now we are here to attend this course to set our minds positive, powerful, and pure. And that is also going to happen. It is going to take some time and it will also require regular meditation practice. When our mind becomes restless with anxiety, fear, worries, we must remember Akshara Mantra. Just by chanting Akshara Mantra for a minute or two, with the deep understanding of 8 letters, this will quickly bring our awareness to the positive zone, and by this way we can quickly recharge our mind. "200 years ago, in the Greece, in the city of Syracuse, lived a king. King wanted to wear golden crown. He gave some gold to a goldsmith to make a suitable crown. After a few days, the goldsmith brought a finished crown to the king. King noticed the color of the crown, and he had a suspicion that the goldsmith could have stolen some gold. The king wanted to find out the truth. He asked his court scientist Archimedes to find out the truth. Archimedes thought about the problem the day and night. One day, he sat in the bathtub quietly by closing his eyes, doing nothing for a few minutes. He left his thoughts behind and went into deep silence. The water in the tub was already full to the brim. He slided into the bathtub. Immediately, a large quantity of water overflowed the bathtub. He noticed, and his brain worked suddenly. He jumped out of the bath shouting, "Eureka, Eureka!" Eureka in Greek means I have found it. Different metals of same weight have different volumes, so they displace the water according to their volumes. Archimedes knew all these theories. Using this as a necessary knowledge, he found out the purity of the crown. The crown had some other metals mixed in it. These metals took up more space in the water than pure gold. Archimedes reported this. The king demanded the truth from the goldsmith. Goldsmith then confessed. Too often we get angry at ourselves. We say to ourselves that most of the time what I think is stupid. How foolish my thoughts are. Most of the time I am confused or my thoughts are meaningless. But friends, let's remember one thing. Only human has the ability of diverse thinking. Let's take this example to understand. Imagine a chariot with 8 horses and the charioteer is trying to drive the chariot. 8 horses are trying to pull the chariot in 8 directions. This is exactly the state of our mind, which is known as diverse mind or state of confusion. When there is a huge noise in the mind, the better state of mind is when mind chooses certain goal. I am not referring to the work that someone else has given to us or duties that we have to perform. Here we are referring to a goal or the purpose which our mind has chosen from within. How exciting it will be to reach the goal we have set. Something that we love, something that we want to achieve. We will find that our body-mind is in unity. Sometimes we will find that while performing that act, even we forget thirst and hunger because our mind is excited, our mind is happy, our mind is revived, and our body joins our mind and that's why we forget everything. And the upper state of mind is mindfulness, that is connecting with the whole knowledge, going and sitting in the center of infinite possibilities. So, the state of confusion will show us dangers. State of focus or ekachitta will demonstrate our skills, and the state of mindfulness will take us beyond all the questions. Okay, so let's do a small meditation here, and for next few minutes let's experience this state of mindfulness. Sit comfortably in a relaxed position. Keep your back upright and close your eyes gently. Let's keep aside all the things in our day-to-day life and let us focus our all attention on natural breath. Just observe the breath. Breath is naturally running on autopilot mode, and mind is just an observer. Just observe how the breathing is happening. Breath is coming in and going out, and mind is just an peaceful observer. Totally focus and make your observation deeper. How the breath is coming in and going out, and how the breath is touching the nostrils. Observe deeply. Very nice. Observe your natural body movements. Try to feel the temperature of the air you are inhaling and exhaling. Be attentive. Try to go little deeper and try to notice the smallest things of breathing process. Yes, this is the still state of our mind. This is the thoughtlessness. Wow, very nice. Let's be here for some time. In this peaceful state, let's observe the well-being and purest part of our life, which is autopilot, and we have to do nothing for this. So nice and beautiful. This state belongs to us. We can come here and stay for some time whenever we wish. Now, let us come out to our conscious and awakened state. Slowly move your body and open your eyes. You are feeling fresh and energetic.